In West Virginia, voters could see an amendment to the state constitution in the next general election. It's related to the Second Amendment, the right to bear arms. 13 News' Larissa Casillas is here to explain. Larissa?
Well, Haley, the Senate Judiciary Committee earlier this week passed a number of pro-gun rights bills. One of them is called the Protection of the Right to Bear Arms Amendment. It would require a 2/3 vote of the House and Senate before being put on the ballot. F. That's the latest letter grade the state of West Virginia got on gun safety from the Giffords Law Center. The Mountain State also has the 13th highest gun death rate in the country, according to the CDC. While gun safety and banning assault rifles are back in the national conversation following 3 mass shootings, the latest overnight in Virginia Beach, the West Virginia Senate Judiciary Committee is busying itself upholding gun rights.
This is a very pro-Second Amendment state.
Senator Jack Woodrum is one of 11 Republican senators sponsoring Senate Resolution 1, which would amend the state constitution to read, "No agent, agency, municipality, county, or any other political subdivision of state government may restrict this right." But another way, cities and counties could not pass gun control measures more stringent than what is set by the legislature.
And we're trying to guarantee people's constitutional rights here in West Virginia.
Reaction on our social media to enhanced gun control was mixed. Sounds good. Guns are only as dangerous as the owner. My children are talking about leaving the state with all of this idiotic legislation being passed. They certainly aren't making the wild and wonderful state inviting to others. Still, Woodrum says he doesn't see how banning firearms would put a stop to people committing harm.
The firearm didn't go out and kill people. You've got an individual that used a firearm in the commission of that crime.
Now, SJR 1 is on its first reading in the state Senate. It's important to note that federal law trumps state law, so it remains to be put into context how any federal legislation, if passed, would affect the state constitution amendment. In the studio, Larissa Casillas, 13 News. Back to you, Haley.